Welcome. Today we are going to state the Christian teachings on human sexuality, then show ways in which Jesus upheld the dignity of work during his life and ministry. And lastly, we look at the ways the youth cope with their sexual emotions. Christian teaching on human sexuality. Number one, God created both male and female. Sexuality leads to procreation. Sex is sacred, or rather, you can just say sex is a gift from God. God created male and female in his image. Number five, male and female are to complement each other. The union of male and female is consummated in marriage. Sexuality is for mutual companionship. Sexual diversion is condemned. For example, here we're talking about homosexuality, bestiality, and also incest. These are sexual diversions which are condemned. The body is the temple of God and should be respected. At number 10, one can give up sex or marriage to serve God fully. That is, one can be celibate. That is celibacy. Ways in which Jesus upheld the dignity of work during his life and ministry. Number one, he was a worker, or rather, you can just say Jesus was a carpenter. Jesus also established God's kingdom on earth by doing the work of preaching, giving, and miracles. Jesus called different workers to be his disciples, for example, fishermen, tax collectors. Jesus used work to make his teaching clearer. For example, the parable of the sower. He solved situations that reduced work. That is, you can also, he healed Simon's mother-in-law to make her work. Number 6, he gave advice that promoted work. For example, he gave the advice of paying to Caesar what belongs to him. That is what belongs to Caesar. He discouraged overworking. That is, you can just say he rested. That is, he worshipped God on the Sabbath day. Number 8, he promoted division of labor by commissioning the 12 disciples to perform various works. He found fulfillment in his work. Or rather, you can just say Jesus never complained at work. As number 10, he discouraged child labor by even calling adults to be his disciples. That is, he only called adults to be his disciples. Ways the youth can cope with sexual emotions. Number 1 is praying or studying God's word. Number 2, discussing sexual matters with counselors or parents. Number 3, engaging in wholesome recreational activities. That is, positive recreational activities. Occupy themselves with household chores. Keep away from opposite sex until ready for marriage. Number 6, avoid songs or that show pornography, or rather, in general, avoid pornography or any place that can intensify sexual emotions. They should also engage in educational activities. And lastly, the youth should avoid heavy petting and hugging with opposite sex. Did you understand? Let me know in the comment section and what you want I look at in tomorrow's video. Let me also know more points on how the youth can cope with their sexual emotions. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.